Redesign. We presume that the new generation will feature a longer wheelbase, which will certainly bring many benefits on the inside. Still, the overall dimensions should not change, which indicates that the overhangs should be shorter, which will certainly have a positive effect on the overall off-road potential. Interior. This is certainly one of the weakest points of the current generation. Simply, 10 years is a long period, so the current dashboard looks outdated. Despite the recent updates we have seen in terms of the future, things should be much better in the next generation model, which will utilize much nicer materials in combination with more attractive aesthetics. Engines. Big changes are expected under the hood as well. First of all, the 3.2-liter V6 will certainly be discontinued. Base model will most likely come with a familiar 2.0-liter Turbo 4, which puts out around 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. 2024 Jeep Cherokee release date and price. If we can trust rumors, the new generation 2024 Jeep Cherokee could arrive already in the last quarter of this year. As for the price, the current generation starts at around $30,000, so the new model might cost a little bit more.